So the second bhajan is Jaya Jaya Deva, Jagadisha Deva. Are you familiar with ragas? This bhajan is set in Hindolam. The earlier one, the previous one that I taught you in Shankarabharanam, this is Hindolam. So I will just go through the lyrics first. Jaya Jaya Deva, Jagadisha Deva, Daya Sagara, Sai Deva, Neeraja Nayana, Kshirabdi Shayana, Neela Megha Shyama, Samagana Priya, Sarva Dharma Priya, Satya Sai Mahadeva. That is the bhajan. And it is it's a slow bhajan. Some people sing a little faster in a medium pace also. The scale for this bhajan can be for the females G or G sharp, Madhyam, and for males C sharp or C, Madhyam also fine. And I'm just going to sing in G. Hope Sanjog, you should be able to follow in this scale.
Sure, sister.
Jaya Jaya Deva.
Jaya Jaya Deva,
Jagadisha Deva.
Jagadisha Deva,
Jagadisha
Jagadisha
Deva.
Deva,
Jaya Jaya Deva. Jagadisha Deva.
Jaya Jaya Deva, Jagadisha Deva,
Daya Sagara.
Daya Sagara,
Sai Deva.
Sai Deva,
Sai De Daya Sagara.
Daya Sagara,
The Sagara, don't rush it. Daya Sagara.
Daya Sagara,
Sai Deva.
Sai Deva,
Ah.
ah,
Daya Sagara.
Daya,
Sorry, go ahead.
no, Daya Sagara,
Sai Deva.
Sai Deva,
Jaya Jaya Deva.
Jaya Jaya Deva,
Jagadisha Deva.
Jagadisha Deva,
Nirajanayana.
Neerajanayana,
Kshirabdishayana.
Ksheerabdishayana,
Kshirabdishayana.
Ksheerabdishayana,
Nirajanayana.
Neerajanayana,
Kshirabdishayana.
Ksheerabdishayana,
Neelamegha
Neelamegha
Shama.
Shyama,
Neelamegha Shama.
Neelamegha Shyama,
Samagana Priya.
Samagana Priya,
Sarvadharma Priya.
Sarvadharma Priya,
Satya Sai Maha
Satya Sai Maha
Deva
Deva
Samagana Priya
Samagana Priya
Sarvadharma Priya
Sarvadharma Priya
Satya Sai Maha
Satya Sai Maha
Deva
Deva
Samagana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Maha
Samagana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Maha
Deva.
Deva.
It will lead you to the beginning of the bhajan. So the second variation, Deva, it leads to the first. Jaya Jaya Deva, Jagadisha Deva,
Jaya Jaya Deva Jagadisha Deva
Daya Sagara,
Daya Sagara
Sai Deva,
Sai Deva
Daya Sagara. There's a small tweak. Daya Sagara.
Daya Sagara
Sagara.
Sagara
Sai Deva.
Sai Deva
Jaya Jaya Deva. Jagadisha Deva.
Jaya Jaya Deva Jagadisha Deva
Nirajanayana.
Nirajanayana
Shirati Shayana.
Shrirabdi Shayana
Neelamegha Shama.
Nila Megha Shama
There's another variation. Neelamegha. First one,
Nila
Neelamegha. Second one, Neelamegha Shama.
Nila Megha
The
Shama
first one, try Neelamegha.
Nila Me
No,
Nila
Neelamegha.
Nila Megha
Shorten the knee. Neelamegha
Nila Megha
Shama.
Shama
Can you try that, please?
Nila Megha Shama Nila
Shama.
Megha Shama
Neelamegha Shama.
Nila Megha Shama
Okay. Samagana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Mahadeva.
Samagana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Mahadeva
Samagana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Mahadeva.
Samagana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Mahadeva
Jaya Jaya Deva.
Jaya Jaya Deva
Jagadisha Deva.
Jagadisha Deva
Nice. Singing very nicely. I'm just going to increase your scale now. So you can, are you ready to sing the whole bhajan or you want me to teach you again?
I can try singing, sister, if there is something you can
Sure. Definitely.
correct.
I'll increase the scale a bit, okay?
Sure.
Jaya Jaya
J-
Deva.
Jaya Jaya Deva जगदीश देवा दया सागरा साई देवा जय जय देवा जगदीश देवा नीरजनयना क्षीराब्धिशयना नीलमेघ श्यामा सामगान प्रिय सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई महादेवा जय जय
So,
देवा.
first time you'll be singing Samagana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Mahadeva.
सामगान प्रिय सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई महादेवा.
The second time Samadana Priya Sarvadharma Priya Satya Sai Mahadeva.
सामगान प्रिय सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई महादेवा. जय जय देवा जगदीश देवा.
One observation. Daya Sagara Sai Deva.
दया
That three beats. Jaya Jaya. Can you sing that line?
दया सागर साई देवा जय
Good.
जय देवा जगदीश देवा.
You need to be careful because if you stop a little early, then the percussion people will be having trouble because you have to go with the talam.
Yes.
Remember the three hums are there. Daya Sagara Sai Deva. Okay, that's all you have to remember.
Yes.
You did it so well.
Thank you, sister. Thank
Very good. Good job.
you. Thank you, sister Sai.